Welcome to all SIVH students. Today in this lecture we will study types of equilibria. Now the first equilibria is stable, second unstable equilibrium, third is static, fourth is dynamic and fifth is metastable equilibrium. Okay, now we consider this equilibria one by one. So first we take the stable equilibria. Okay. Then in stable equilibrium we consider the graph of potential energy versus distance x, and the nature of curve is like this. Okay. You know that the potential energy, that is V, is function of position, that is x. Okay, potential energy is the function of position or distance. So here we have plotted the graph of potential energy versus position x or distance x. Then nature of graph is like this. Now the point x naught is the point at which potential energy is minimum. So this is the point at which the potential energy is minimum. So we consider x equal to x naught is the point where potential energy is minimum. Okay. Now further, you know, the force is derived from negative gradient of the potential. That means the force equal to minus dV by dx. So in conservative system, the force acting on particle is derived by taking negative gradient of the potential energy. Okay. So right here F equal to minus dV by dx. Right. Now the point x equal to x naught is the point where potential energy is minimum. And when potential energy is minimum, then force acting at that point is 0. So at point x equal to x naught, the value of force is equal to 0. Right? When force acting on that point is have value 0, then this point or this position is called the equilibrium position or mean position. Okay. So F equal to 0, the point is called as the equilibrium point or equilibrium position. Okay. Then next we give small displacement to the particle toward right at point A by applying some force. When we apply the force, then the particle is displaced toward the right at point A. Okay. So at point A, when we calculate the slope, then the value of slope at point A is always positive. Right? The value of slope at point A is always positive. And when the value of slope is positive, then force acting at point A is negative. Okay. And the force is negative means this force always accelerates the particle from point A toward the equilibrium position. So force is directed toward the mean position or equilibrium position. When the value is negative, then force is directed toward the equilibrium position. Right? The next we consider by applying the force, we displace particle toward the left at point B. Okay? When particle is at point B, then what happened? The slope at point B has negative value. Slope is equal to negative. And when slope is negative, then force is positive. Okay. at point B force is positive, means that this force is directed again toward the mean position. So it is directed toward the mean position. Hence, in both cases, that means from point A and from point B, in these both cases, force is directed toward the mean position. So this mean position or equilibrium position, the position at which the potential is minimum and force acting on the particle is 0. The position is called as the equilibrium position. Hence, we can say that, or we can conclude that in both cases, force is always directed toward the mean position, and the position is called as the equilibrium position. Okay, so we have to define what is stable equilibrium. The stable equilibrium means if we give slight displacement to the particle from its mean position, then it is always directed toward the equilibrium position and perform, that means particle perform small amount or small bounded motion about the equilibrium position. Okay, that means if we give slight displacement to the particle, then it always perform bounded motion about the equilibrium position. So this position is called as the stable equilibrium position. Okay, do you understand this? Right? So this is the stable equilibrium. Then next we consider unstable equilibrium. Now here we consider unstable equilibrium. Then again we plot the graph of potential energy versus position, and the nature of curve is like this. Okay. Now again we consider the point x naught, where the potential energy is maximum and force acting on the particle is 0. So this point is the point where force acting on the particle is 0, but its potential energy is maximum. Why the potential energy is maximum? We can see. First we see, when force is applied on the particle in order to displace the particle toward the right at point A. Okay, when particle is point A, then what is the value of slope? Here, what is the value of slope? It is negative. So slope is negative. When slope is negative, then force is positive. And when force is positive, this means that the particle is accelerated away from the equilibrium position. Right? In this case, particle is accelerated away from the equilibrium position. That means it move or accelerate toward the equilibrium position. Okay? Then consider second. In second, we have to displace particle from equilibrium position toward the left at point B. Okay, at point B. Then what is the value of slope? The slope is positive. Okay, at point B, slope is, here we write slope equal to positive. And when slope is positive, then force is negative. So force equal to negative. What this means? At point B, where the particle is placed, and when the value of force is negative, this means that due to this negative force, the particle is always accelerated toward the left side or away from the equilibrium position. Okay, so particle accelerate to this side. In this case, particle accelerate to this side. Hence, in both cases, the particle will be accelerated away from the equilibrium position or mean position. So, such type of motion we call as the unbounded. That means particle never bound about the equilibrium position. In every case, it will be accelerated away from the mean position. So, such type of equilibria is the unstable equilibria, and the point x naught where force is 0, potential is maximum, then this point x naught is called as the unstable point or unstable position. So, it is called as the unstable equilibrium, in which particle always accelerated away from the mean position or equilibrium position. Such type of equilibria is called unstable. And stable equilibrium means, in stable equilibrium, particle will be moved toward the equilibrium position. When we apply the force, in both cases, particle move toward the mean position where potential is minimum, and this point or position is called as the stable equilibrium. In stable equilibrium, particle always perform small type of bounded motion about equilibrium position. Okay, so these are the two types of equilibria: stable equilibrium and unstable equilibrium. Okay, then other three equilibria we can continue in the next lecture. So thanks to all.